So 71 lost the world to carry on. We don't believe no more. But was not did it said that this could never happen to us? How wrong could it be? It's maybe here we are, victims of a broken down affair. So sad to see the regrets scattered everywhere. Victims of love still cannot believe we're the victims of love. We cannot retreat. So easy, used to be so good. We had an understanding that God misunderstood. I thought we were survivors and we never would go down. But now we're just starters as our love